Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Sir Mat Qasim. Inshallah ta'ala, in this video we are going to discuss the topic of grammar. First of all, open the book and go to the page number 154. There is a lesson 14, Infinitives. Let's begin from the definition. An infinitive has the same form as the root of verb. It may consist of two preceding the root form of a verb. For example, to go, to make, to do. Such an infinitive is called a to infinitive. However, the infinitive can also be a plain infinitive without to. For example, go, make, do. An infinitive usually comes after the main verb in a sentence. Verb denoting feeling and perception tend to have infinitives following them. They wish to go abroad. We plan to hold a party. He wants to make a report. She likes to waste time. Dear students, always remember that infinitive is not the main verb in a sentence. It does not change as per tense, number, or person. To create infinitive, we need to plus verb-based form. For example, to run, to play, to eat. Use of infinitives. It is not used as a verb in a sentence. Infinitive uses as a noun, adjective, and adverb. Let's see infinitives used as a noun. She likes to play. In this sentence, to play is used as an object and behave as a noun. I want to write. In this sentence, to write is also used as an object and behaves as a noun. To dance is her hobby. In this sentence, to dance is used as a subject in a sentence and it behaves as a noun. Infinitives used as an adjective. I have no time to eat. In this sentence, no time is an object and to eat is used to describe that object. So, to eat is adjective here. That was a game to watch. In this sentence, to watch tells us something is more about the quality of the game. So, to watch is used also as an adjective. Let's see the last one. I told you to wait. To wait describes that what was expected from the subject. Infinitives used as an adverb. She reads to gain knowledge. Here, to gain describing the verb read. Her voice is pleasant to hear. In a sentence, here is describing adjective pleasant. I told you to wait. In this sentence, dear students, to wait is expecting means that expecting from the subject. Something is expected from the subject. The new soldiers were ready to listen and obey. Here, to listen describe the adjective ready. Let's see the exceptional case. Dear students, in some cases, infinitives are not made by to plus verbs based form. These are called bare infinitives. Means sometimes infinitives are called bare infinitives because they don't use to. They are without to. She made me cry. I heard him sing a lovely song. In both sentences, you can see that there is no to. Means to is not used. So these are called bare infinitives. I hope you got the idea about the topic. Let's see the home assignment. Dear students, you have to solve exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which is available on page number 156 to 158. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.